Real quick, here's a way to make Firestarter very cheaply. See all these kind of dark, burnt looking pieces of cardboard? Well, they are homemade Firestarter. What I did, yesterday it was really cold, and I had this old cook stove going out here in the outdoor kitchen. What I did is I just took pieces of cardboard, and I had this tin can full of old candle wax in here. Whenever I see candles like at the thrift store or at a garage sale that are broken or bent or warped and they throw them in there for next to nothing, I buy them. And if I have a fire going, I melt the wax down. That's all that is just candle wax. And it was bubbling yesterday. And what I would do is I would take my pliers and I would just dip the cardboard even halfway into the wax. And it's amazing. I wish I'd filmed it, because the wax shoots right up those corrugations, and basically this is permeated, this cardboard is permeated with wax. And then when you're ready to use it, and I'll show you because I'm using them right now, you bend it up a little bit so it makes a little bit of a tint, kind of like that, minus the leaf, and just light it and it'll burn so well. And it's just a great little fire starter, and it costs nothing. If you are somebody that is outdoors with a fire and you just have a little bit of time, it's a great way to make fire starter. It costs nothing. It really weighs nothing. It's still flat, so you can pack it very easily, and you can cut it into smaller pieces, so that it's not so big and bulky. If you're just wanting something that'll start a small fire, you can easily do that. I think I made some. Yeah, look at here. So I also made some that were just tiny little squares of cardboard. And I tell you what, these little guys are great for starting fires. You can take these, put them in your fire kit, and they just work wonders. Another thing you can do is take your cardboard egg crates, and I call them cardboard, but I don't know, they're pressed wood fibers, and your melted wax, and don't fill them up, but pour it to where it's about to overflow into the next cup. Sorry, I wasn't looking where my camera was pointing. And that will give you really good fire starters also. Now they're going to be a little more bulky. What you do is you cut them, when it's all done, you cut them into those little individual squares or whatever. And what'll that'll do is give you something a little more bulky and a little more suited for I'm smoking today, so I'm heating my wax over there. But it'll give you something a little more bulky, and that's much better suited for starting fires, you know, around the house. It's not necessarily something you want to take backpacking, because it's going to be more bulky, although you can. And they're just great cheap fire starters. Hey, thanks for watching.